For some users, this MAC address, the new MAC address, will not be stable. It will be resetted automatically to the original one. To prevent the MAC address to go back to its original status by auto reset, what you need to do, you need to go to the Network Manager configuration file, and you need to edit that one like that. We'll go to etc. So on the road, etc, network configuration or network manager, network manager. Under that there is network manager.config, and here we need to write this. Just copy paste this to this file like that and save it. Save, and that's it. Now this will solve the issue. What you need to do after this, just you need to restart the network manager service. Just write service network manager restore. So after restarting that, now we can see it become the old one. Let me show you now after restarting the network manager. Now if we change the MAC address again, ifconfig WLAN 0 hardware ether, then the MAC address we want, ifconfig up, ifconfig now to see the MAC address. This is the one. So even now if we restart the network manager service, it will remain the same. So let me do service network manager restart, again ifconfig. See, so this is how you change the MAC address. And in the next lecture I'm going to show you how to start attacking the networks.